Hello dear friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to my channel. Dear students, in this video we are going to start first chapter of Maths 2 of 9th standard. Name of the chapter is Basic Concepts in Geometry. Now basic concepts in geometry are point, line, plane. We cannot define these terms, but we have to always we use these terms in geometry. That's why these are basic. Dear friends, first point of the lesson is coordinates of points and distance. We know how to draw integers on number line. Now here you see, here one number line is drawn, and here we start from 0, this is the origin of line, and on the right side we write positive numbers, positive integers, and to the left of 0 we write negative integers. These numbers are called coordinates. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, infinite, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, these are called coordinates. All are coordinates. And 1 is denoted by D, 3 is denoted by E, here minus 2 is denoted by C. These are points. These are all points. Now, if I ask you question that what is the coordinate of point D, then answer is 1. 1 is the coordinate of point D. 3 is the coordinate of point E. These are coordinates, these are points. Minus 2 is the coordinate of point C. These are coordinates. Now distance. If we want to find the distance between any two points, then how to find? Suppose you want distance between these 2 points. We want distance between DE. Distance between D and E, distance between D and E is equal to, it is written as distance D, small d for distance, and here point, name of the points DE, D comma E. It means that this is distance between points D and E, written in this way, D in bracket D comma E, and it is read as distance between points D and E. Then how to find? It is very easy. What is coordinate of point D? Coordinate of point D is 1. What is coordinate of point E? Coordinate of point E is 3. And if you want distance between them, bigger coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Bigger coordinate is 3 minus smaller coordinate is 1, and by subtracting we get the distance is equal to 2. Therefore 2 is the distance, 2 units is the distance between points D and E. This is distance. Now let's start practice set 1.1. Let's start practice at 1.1. First question is find the distances with the help of a number line given below. One number line is given and we have to find the distances of given points. Now first is distance between B and E. We have to find distance between points B and E. How to solve? See the steps. It is very easy. First of all, write coordinates of both points. Coordinate of point B is equal to, what is coordinate of point B? Point B you see here, point B. Coordinate is 2. Coordinate of point B is 2. Then write of E. Coordinate of point E. Now on number line you see, E point is here. Coordinate is 5. We got both. Now you compare them, bigger and smaller. What is bigger? 5. 5 is greater than 2. 5 is bigger than 2. Comparison. Okay, and therefore now distance BE is equal to now bigger coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Bigger coordinate is 5 minus smaller coordinate is 2 and subtraction is 3. We got the distance. 3 is the distance between points D, B and E. Second distance that we have to find, distance between points J and A. Therefore first write both coordinates. Coordinate of point J is equal to, now here you see J minus 2. Coordinate of point, second point is A, is equal to, what is 1. Now compare them. 1 is greater than minus 2. Positive number is always greater than negative number, and therefore here distance between JA is equal to bigger minus smaller. What is bigger factor? Bigger coordinate 1. Bigger coordinate is 1 minus, and smaller is minus 2. Means write that in bracket, minus 2. 1 is the bigger coordinate, minus for subtraction, and this is second coordinate, minus 2. Now if we solve this, 1 minus minus plus 2, and now distance we get now 3. 3 is the distance between points J and A. Distance between P and C. First write coordinates. Coordinate of point P is, what is, minus 4. Coordinate of point C, where is C, is here, 3. Therefore now comparison, 3 is greater than minus 4, and therefore distance between P and C is equal to, greater number is 3, bigger coordinate is 3, minus for subtraction, and smaller is minus 4, is equal to, now 3 minus minus plus 4, and addition is 7. 7 is the distance between these 2 points P and C. Find the distance between point J and H. Coordinate of point J is equal to, what is coordinate, minus 2. Coordinate of point H, minus 1. Therefore now both are negative. If both are negative, smaller number is greater, smaller coordinate is bigger, then minus 1 is bigger than minus 2. Therefore distance between JH is equal to, what is greater, minus 1, minus for subtraction, and smaller minus 2. Minus 1 as it is, minus minus plus 2, and if you add it or subtract it, minus 1 plus 2, subtraction is 1. 1 is the distance between points J and H. You see here JH, 1 only, 1 unit. Find the distance between K and O. Coordinate of point K is minus 3. Coordinate of point O, O is origin, is 0. 0 is greater than minus 3. Therefore distance between K0, KO is 0, greater, minus for subtraction, and smaller minus 3. 0 minus minus plus 3, and 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 is the distance between 3 units, is the distance between point K and O. Now question number 2 from practice set 1.1 is, if the coordinates of point, if the coordinate of A is x and that of B is y, find distance AB. These are coordinates of point A and B. This is coordinate of A, this is coordinate of B. We have to find distance AB. Method is same that we solved example number 1. Solution. Coordinate of point A is equal to 1, this x value. Coordinate of point B means y value, y is 7. Now compare them. 7 is greater than 1. Therefore, distance AB, distance between A and B is greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate, 7 minus 1, and therefore distance AB is equal to 7 minus 1, subtraction is 6. 6 is the distance between points A and B. Second example. Coordinate of point A is 6 and coordinate of point B is minus 2. We have to find distance AB. First write coordinates. Coordinate of point A is 6. Coordinate of point B is minus 2. Now here comparison. 6 is greater than minus 2. And therefore distance between AB, A and B is greater coordinate 6, minus for subtraction, and smaller is minus 2. Now 6 minus plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 is the distance between point A and B. Coordinate of point A is minus 3, coordinate of point B is 7. Solution. Coordinate of point A is minus 3. Coordinate of point B 7. Comparison. 7 is greater than minus 3. Therefore, distance AB is equal to greater coordinate 7 minus for subtraction and smaller minus 3 in bracket is equal to 7 minus plus 3 is equal to 10. 10 is the distance between points A and B. Example number 4. Coordinate of point A is minus 4. Coordinate of point B is minus 5. Both are negative, that's why smaller is bigger. Minus 4 is greater than minus 5. Therefore, distance between A and B is minus 4 minus for subtraction smaller minus 5. Minus 4 as it is, minus plus 5. And here minus 4 plus 5, 1. 1 is the distance between points A and B. After question number 2, question number 3. Question number 3 is from the information given below. Here information is there. Find which of the point is between the other two. Means here are 3 points, P, R and Q. P, Q, R are 3 points. We have to find out that which out of 3, which one is in between. That we have to find. If points are not collinear, state so. Now let's see how to solve. First, distance PR is equal to 7, distance PQ 10 and distance QR is equal to 3. Now here are 3 distances. Out of that, we have to take first the largest distance. Largest distance. What is largest distance? Here is 7, here is 10, here is 3. What is largest? 10. Therefore, distance PQ is the largest. I write this first. Distance PR, PQ. Distance PQ is equal to 10 and I give here number 1, largest distance. Now 2 are left. Write their sum. Do their sum of remaining 2. This and this. And distance PR plus distance QR is equal to, now PR is 7 plus QR is 3 is equal to 7 plus 3, 10. Give here number 2. And now you see 1 and 2, both the values are same. Here 1 is 10 and second also 10. It means that therefore we can write now LHS of 1 is equal to LHS of second. LHS means left hand side. Left hand side of 1 is distance PQ is equal to left hand side of second is distance PR plus distance QR, and here support from 1 and 2. Both sides are equal, and if both sides are equal, that's why 1 point out of 3, 1 point is in between. Now which point is in between? Now here you see PQ. Which point is not here? In this R, or otherwise in these two, what is common point? Here PR and here QR. What is common in them? R. Therefore R is in between. Therefore point R lies between which two? These two. Largest distance P and Q. Point R lies between P and Q. In this way we can find. Number 2. Distance RS 8, distance ST 6, distance RT 4. From these three distances, first take the largest. What is largest? 8. This is the largest. Distance RS. Distance RS is equal to 8. Give number 1. And now addition of remaining 2. And distance ST plus distance RT is equal to ST6 plus RT4 is equal to addition is 10, number 2. Now here you see RHS of 1, right hand side of 1 is 8, right hand side of second is 10, not equal. Therefore left sides are not equal. Distance RS is not equal to distance ST plus distance RT from 1 and 2. Not equal, and if not equal, whatever point out of 3, not a single point lies in between. Points are not collinear because this is not equal. Points are not equal. Therefore we can say here points which 3 RST are not collinear. Example number 3. Distance AB 16, distance CA 9, distance BC 7. First write largest distance. Largest is this. Distance AB is equal to 16. Give here number 1. And now sum of remaining 2. And distance CA plus distance BC is equal to CA 9 plus BC 7. Addition is 16. Give here number 2. Now here 16 right side, here also 16 right side. Both right sides are equal, therefore left sides are equal. Therefore distance AB is equal to distance CA plus distance BC from 1 and 2. And if both sides are equal, one point is between. But which point? The point that is common in them. Here is CA, here is BC. What is common in both? Point C. C is common. That's why point C lies between which two? Between these two. Largest distance between A and B. In this way we can find which point lies between other two.